The inhumane treatment of POWs, prisoners of war, like that found in German war camps, will always be an ugly part of war. Does inhumane mean cruel, alien, kind, or human? This sentence uses a comparison clue. Our signal word here is the word like, indicating to us that our sentence is going to make a comparison between the treatment of prisoners of war in German war camps and inhumane treatment. Even if we don't know much about German war camps, the sentence goes on to tell us that it will always be an ugly part of war, indicating to us that inhumane is something negative. Using these context clues and the clues in the sentence, we can understand inhumane means sadistic or merciless. Let's take a look at our choices and pick which one best matches our definition. Cruel seems to be just what we're looking for, but let's go on just to be sure. Alien, while meaning strange or unusual, is a neutral word and not necessarily negative, so we can cross that off. Kind is the opposite of what we're looking for, and it can be crossed off as well. And while human may sound like inhumane, again, it is quite the opposite of what we're looking for. We are left with our first choice, cruel, and our answer.